Hi everybody, this is Kevin Purcell for Gotta Be Mobile and Notebooks.com, and I've set up my iPad here so that you can see it. I want to demonstrate to you the AirPlay feature. It's in iOS 4.3, which of course the iPad 2 comes with. And the reason this is significant is the iPad 2 and iOS 4.3, any device with iOS 4.3, now does your camera roll, displays it over the TV. Now you'll notice here the very grainy look. That's the camera on the iPad 2 is just not real good, to be quite honest with you. I'm very disappointed with it, low light shooting, but that's not the significant thing. If you have your videos or your TV pictures on here, it's great because it allows you to display them. So we'll go back here to the camera roll, and I took some pictures with the Photo Booth app. And we'll go ahead and send that out to the Apple TV. And so that's sort of the fun that you can have. And now again we'll hit play. And so you can see that the iPhone is hooked up. Now any app that chooses to use the AirPlay feature is going to be able to. Previously only Apple apps could do it. And so that's a real significant thing. Personally, I think this is going to be a great feature because I got the 64 gigabyte iPad, so what I plan on doing is, instead of using my Apple TV to rent videos, I'll actually probably buy them from the iTunes store on my iPad and then send them from the iPad to the Apple TV over the AirPlay. Now you could do that previously, that's nothing new. But now if some app like the Netflix app or maybe a video presentation app, that would be an excellent feature, not having to actually hook up. You could have an Apple TV permanently hooked up to a projector somewhere. You could go into that room, fire up the presentation app, and then automatically have it sent to it. Now I just thought of something. I don't even think it works, but I'm going to test out to see whether Keynote does it. No, obviously Keynote doesn't do it, but see, that would be excellent if Apple would update Keynote so that it works. And they could sell a lot of Apple TVs to classrooms, to churches like mine. It would be excellent if I was able to have my Apple TV hooked up to the projector at our church, and I could run a presentation without having to hook up any cables. The minute Keynote does that, I'll be buying an Apple TV for our